UC Components Incorporated has been the world leader in high vacuum fasteners and seals, designed for faster pump down of vacuum systems and easy assembly for clean, critical applications since 1974. We hold multiple quality certifications, including ISO 9001. And our staff undergo extensive ongoing industry training. Our ReadyVac screws, washers, hex nuts, and O-rings are carefully manufactured and stringently inspected for consistency. ReadyVac means ready for vacuum service now. Our ReadyVac system ensures the utmost quality and care has been taken in the manufacture, coating, cleaning, and packaging for all of our products. From individual part to individual part and batch to batch, you can count on them being exactly what you need every single time. Our ReadyVac screws are available non-vented or with center or side vents in inch or metric sizes with a variety of head types and shaft lengths, including shoulder screws and 12-point bolts. We offer a variety of vacuum-compatible finishes, including silver, gold, nickel, molybdenum disulfide, tungsten disulfide, and more. Our ReadyVac O-rings are manufactured from top-quality fluoroelastomer materials and are specially processed for use in high vacuum and ultra-high vacuum equipment. We offer a variety of prototyping, custom parts, and custom services not covered in our standard product listings. Conceived with a focus on fasteners and seals exclusively for vacuum applications, UC Components Incorporated has expanded its focus to include many other industries that are also focused on clean critical applications, including but not limited to semiconductor, optics, medical, research and education, aerospace and space, food processing. From our clean room to yours, ready to use immediately. All products go through our proprietary multi-stage cleaning, inspecting, and packaging process, all done inside of our top-of-the-line certified ISO Class 5 cleanroom, ensuring that every fastener and seal you order from us arrives ready to install immediately.